This is a demonstration of what the case screen looks like in the Innate software system. As you can see in the top left-hand corner is where we have our case lists. You'll need to go ahead and create a case before you can enter any insurance or visit information. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will also find the special attention box. This is a box where you could put notes in that will pop up with the dot with this red star. In turn, it will grab your doctor's attention, and your doctor is able to see these little special attention notes when treating the patient. Underneath that box, you can also see the express notes box. This is another box in which you can add little notes for your doctor to see while treating the patient. In our office, we like to utilize this box by putting in the patient's main complaints. We know a lot of other offices that also utilize this as a box where you could put insurance information, such as $20 copay, 12 visit maximum. Down here is our reminders tab. These reminders you can really make your own and use them however works best with your office. The number one way I like to utilize these reminders is the financial reminders. As you can see, we need to collect $65 per visit from the patient, and this reminder will pop up each time we check in and check out the patient, helping your staff remember just the little things. On the top hand side of the screen, you can see the PT, X-ray, and Wizards button. PT is what you will need to flag as if your patient does any sort of therapy in your office. This X-ray button is something you can utilize if you also utilize the SRS PAC systems. When this button is selected, each time you check in your patient, their X-ray will pop up as they are called back into the doctor's office. This Wizards button is something we dive deeper into in another video, but you will need this button highlighted if you would like to enter patient notes with ease. As you can see, we have our start, current illness, closed, and initial treatment date in this box here. Again, these are, kind of something you could change based on when the patient started treatment. And then last but not least, you do have your financial profile here in the middle of the screen. And this is where you enter insurance information. As you can see, we have this patient indicated as a self-pay patient, but if you were to click on this little insurance icon button, your pop-up screen will pull up, and this is where you enter insurance information. On the top hand side of the screen is where you can enter the insurance company, the address you want to send claims to, group number, policy number, etc. And then down below is where you can indicate where the primary, secondary, tertiary, etc. insurances will be. Another really cool feature with the insurance profiles is, say your patient came in on their first visit and said they did not have their insurance card for the year yet. You can go ahead and put them in as self-pay as we have for this patient, but using these start dates and end dates, you can dynamically adjust the insurance. So again, if your patient came in on their second or third visit with their insurance, you can go ahead and backdate the insurance start date and easily process past claims.